kuno understand dia wanda wangi bakolengera dia about banda bambate gitio bogi na etu mwalimu aye ngwene ta komo moto bwato mutu momo pa ekiagera no manire abanda una babo jana ande bali molese ekanisa ya SDA kana ngenda barusia makosa Kenyatta agambete 1963 up to 1978 igarenge urwe kanisa ya Pentecostal mubati ya zodati muramoyi moyi kanisa kiaremo AIC moyi agakora mubati the Mwangi baki nkiali garo mukatoliki hunanji Tebaki nanga kaire na ibobogeka akera ni mumuro Kenyatta nandoliki umukatoliki Wana mukai magato uru mukabuli chambasi gete korukanisa ki Era kaira ni baki uchiese ya isi Wana inunande unanga SDA ningwende toko wabori wesemota liteke rogo Ima yati wasemwani uwa Ningwende toko wabori wesemwani na kolika Matiang'i chukura Kati mkijo mwa SDA kwa ambade Ima yati kimolenge Usemo nande tokera na katoliki noni jino mkatoliki ubode Kwa wana nile Ikinenge kumwalo etikae mukolete Most probably Ogende Zambia Baaligirio maisi diwa wele president Ogende Malawi Baaligirio maisi diwa wele president Ono nuwa Kenya Yani yore ngende lekong Usemo no Number 2 Mano midolo sairuna lugo wateana wabande Nanko enda balengo kama bali kende bago kama eke usiyi engombe lile kedera ilikonye nywe ubageni Pasa mungu bono Let's be honest If Ruto was a good president If Ruto was a good president who would have an issue with him But when you kill people, then you are not a good president. When you are sharing state resources amongst your friends, you are not a good president. When the health sector is collapsing, then you are not a good president. When all the young children are not good, are going to school, you are not a good president. Why should I then vote for you? That is why I vote for Matiang'i. Your Excellency, come and speak to your people.